Hello everyone, welcome to another video. To celebrate Thermaltake's 20 years of delivering the perfect user experience, the masterminds over in their design labs have used a mixture of what was old and so far everything that worked bloody well over the last 2 decades and thrown in some gorgeous modern architectural curves and lots of tempered glass at it and created something bloody fantastic. However, with Thermaltake's ultimate success and dominance in the PC case market, they wouldn't be able to squeeze all of this into just one case, but they did it across 4. Today we are going to take a look at just one of them, the Level 20 VT. At a close inspection you may notice that this is familiar, and you'll be dead right. Thermaltake have cleverly taken the very popular chassis from the Core V21 and gave it a huge 2018 overhaul. Like its predecessor, each side can be swapped out to allow you to fully customize the look of your case, but no matter how you look at it, you still get that wow factor from each visual wall being revamped in tempered glass with the light and dark silver plastic and metal fittings and cladding, and it just looks gorgeous. Please don't be put off by the raised glass on the top panel. You can swap this for one of the sides, however you really wouldn't want to do that as it serves brilliantly to exhaust air out of the top of this case, even more so and even more effectively with a couple of 120mm fans to assist. But enough of how good this case actually is. What are its flaws? Well, 1. I personally don't think the front intakes are quite enough for this case. Maybe if the intake grills were made a little wider and deeper, this would allow more air to be sucked into the case and being able to cool more higher end and overclock systems. Number 2, I do think the rotatable VGA mount on the rear of the Level 20 GT case should also appear on the XT and VT models. This may be something Thermaltake could look at a revision 2 model or elite models maybe, and throw in some RGB fans for example. I don't know, it's just a thought. But with these out the way, the only modification I would personally make is to fully black out one of the side panels to hide my not so good cable management skills. But other than that, this case is pretty much what you would expect from Thermaltake's premium lineup, and once again Thermaltake takes home another gold reward from us, so fantastic and well done Thermaltake. Well, if you do like this awesome case, my affiliate link will be in the description below to help obviously generate a little bit of a kickback to help bring more content like this to the channel. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and why not subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and maybe check out a brand new website, link obviously in the description below as well, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. So until then, take care, have a good day.